Are you ready to get super motivated to clean and also learn how to use that motivation to not only conquer your mess, but also conquer your negative thoughts? Get ready. Let's get fired up to clean right now. Welcome to Rewired Happy, motivational videos dedicated to those of us who struggle with negativity, depression, anxiety, and all-around self-sabotage. Helping you shift your brain and transform your life one thought at a time. Creating a clean and orderly environment helps to give you a sense of control. Control over anything, even if it's something small, gives you a sense of security. Getting control over the small things in life helps you build the confidence needed to get control over your thoughts and control over the bigger parts of your life. Cleaning is something that's achievable. This is one thing you can have control over, and it's free. Starting with small, achievable goals that are attainable is crucial to balancing the way the brain is currently viewing the world. This is why cleaning is such a powerful tool. Progress is a key factor that stimulates the feeling of happiness in the human mind. Progressing in life, making progress at tasks, even small ones like cleaning, gives a significant boost to your sense of well-being. The progress of seeing something cleaned is probably one of the most concrete things that you can do. Your mind can visually and physically see that progress is being made. The instant gratification of seeing a goal being reached is huge on a subconscious level. Being surrounded by a chaotic and cluttered environment only increases depressed feelings and feelings of guilt for not having your environment under control. Cluttered and messy surroundings trigger stress in our minds. The Personality and Social Psychological Bulletin conducted a linguistics analysis test while women gave tours of their homes. The women who described their living spaces as cluttered or full of unfinished projects were more likely to be depressed and fatigued and have higher cortisol levels than women who described their homes as restful and restorative. Starting to take the initial steps to get control of your environment, even if you start with small steps at a time. Taking those steps and feeling that control will give you the confidence that you need to start taking the steps to get control of other things in your life. You might think that cleaning is an insignificant, meaningless task, but your subconscious does not know the difference. All your subconscious sees is you having the willpower to complete and to follow through. It sees you achieving a goal that you set out to achieve. Doing this repeatedly makes this your subconscious's new reality. Every time that you show your subconscious that you finished what you set out to do, even if it's with something simple like cleaning, you strengthen your willpower and you weaken any negative habits that you have developed. Each and every single time you suit up with those cleaning gloves on, you get stronger. Cleaning is no longer something you do to impress other people when they come over. Cleaning is no longer something you do when things have gotten so out of control that you have no other choice but to clean. Cleaning is no longer something you do just because your family needs you to do it. Cleaning is now something that you do for yourself. You are cleaning for you and for no other reason. You clean because you want to feel peaceful and safe when you're at your sanctuary, your home. You clean because the guilt that the clutter or mess gives you for not containing it is way worse than the act of actually cleaning it. You clean because you want to finally get control of this mess and get control of your life. You clean because it proves to yourself that you are a capable person. You are capable of completing things. You have the willpower to follow through. You are capable of simple things, and you're capable of anything. So if you're home, get right up right now and pick one thing to clean. Pick one thing to conquer and make some progress. Start to retake control of your environment right now and take charge. Start with small, everyday, easily doable tasks. Maybe even as small as making your bed every single day. Succeeding at that task routinely will start to make you feel good about yourself because you're seeing yourself accomplish what you set out to do. Cleaning is cumulative. Every small action that you take now will lead to a cleaner home over time. Routinely completing these small goals, like always emptying your dishwasher or keeping your counters clean, will give you a growing sense of achievement. No matter how minuscule it might seem, for someone who's maybe wired to think in a negative way, these achievements will accumulate into a more positive self-image, especially if you consistently do it. The simple act of maintaining your environment can help snap your thought processes back into a more positive and productive place. Sometimes it's just the initial getting started that makes us feel like the task is impossible or overwhelming. You have to understand that the motivation to get up and get started is really never going to be there until after you've made cleaning a routine part of your life and ingrained the action into your subconscious. When you are starting out, that intrinsic motivation just isn't going to be there. It won't be there until after you've experienced that gratification of repeatedly achieving the goal. That is the action that creates the true motivation. The only way to power through this in the beginning is to take choice out of the equation. It isn't something we have the choice to ignore anymore. The choice to save it for later is gone. It has to be something that isn't an option in life, like eating and sleeping. Setting it up this way takes all of the options that your brain has to talk you out of it away, stopping self-sabotage before it starts. Many of us grew up in homes that probably weren't very strong in order and consistency as far as cleaning goes, because people with depressive and negative tendencies usually have parents that were the same way. So you have to be highly vigilant in ridding yourself of unproductive old habits that you may have learned in childhood. But with repetition and consistency, it is completely possible to destroy those bad habits. Your home does not have to be immaculate. Some of us have small children or pets who tear apart our homes constantly. But the key is to have control over it. That your home is consistently and regularly maintained, not that it's perfect. Forming the habit of not letting your home get out of control or overwhelming is the foundation that needs to be created. In a study by the National Sleep Foundation, people reported sleeping longer hours and feeling better about going to bed when their bed was made and their bedroom was clean. Proper sleep and rest has been well documented to help with your mental health. So maintaining a clean sleeping environment can benefit you in multiple ways. The act of cleaning also gets you up and moving and active. The more active we are, the greater our anxiety and stress levels are reduced. A study conducted by the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that only 20 minutes of sustained exercise a week, that could include anything from cleaning to jogging, can have a major impact on depression. The physical act of strenuous cleaning decreased the occurrence of depressive feelings by 20%. So committing to a 20-minute block of cleaning is a great starting goal. So, should you start tomorrow and commit to cleaning an hour a day and always having a perfect spotless house? No. Start slowly, especially if cleaning has been something you've struggled with maintaining for a while or has never been a priority. Start with one task that you commit to maintaining. If you do any other additional cleaning, great. If you don't, it doesn't matter. As long as you complete the one task that you set out to do. Once you've been consistent for a little while, add other tasks that are must-dos. Or aim for a set amount of daily cleaning time, like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Slowly, you will start to build a consistent cleaning routine. If this is a new habit that you're trying to develop, don't throw a long, never-ending to-do list at yourself in the beginning. Sometimes to-do lists can be counterproductive and can just make one more thing in life seem impossible. Start small and build up to that long list. Maintaining a clean and ordered home has to be a constant, in good times and in bad. When you're feeling good or having fun, it's easy to go back to the leave it until tomorrow mindset. Or sometimes when we're focused on reaching other goals, we tend to hyper-focus and ignore all other aspects of life, letting other less exciting things like cleaning fall into disarray. Maintaining the discipline to contain your environment keeps you grounded in good times and in bad, and gives you a constant sense of control so you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges when they come. Your clean home becomes your sense of security. It provides balance and stability in your life. It is something that you can always have control over, even if everything feels out of control. If you're down, finding purpose in any form helps to alleviate negative thoughts and negative tendencies. Progress in life and even progress through your day are one of the key sources to finding peace and happiness. If you're at a low point or if you've had a recent setback, a way to reset your mindset is to set goals that are 100% achievable. Cleaning is one of those goals. Cleaning is 100% achievable. Anything that takes you from feeling useless to feeling useful is key to making real and lasting changes to the way that you think. Cleaning can be your secret weapon to regaining control and strengthening your willpower. So start cleaning and retake control of your surroundings for you and for no one else. Don't clean because you're supposed to. Don't clean because you have to. Clean for you. Clean because it makes you mentally stronger. Clean because it will lower your stress levels. Clean so that you'll sleep better. Clean because it exercises your body. Clean because you care about yourself and you want to prove to yourself that you do. Clean to boost your willpower. Clean to reprogram your subconscious. Clean to destroy bad habits. Clean because it's an easy way to start to get control over your life. And clean to prove to yourself, one wipe or one scrub at a time, that you have the strength and the courage to follow through with whatever you set out to do in life, from small things like cleaning to big life-changing goals and dreams. We are rewired happy, one thought at a time. Subscribe for more motivation.